Veins or blood vessels containing blood flowing to the heart, while arteries or blood vessels containing blood flowing from the heart. The blue is representing of a blood vessels containing deoxygenated blood, or the red blood vessels of oxygenated blood fresh from the lungs. Now let's follow the path of blood through the heart. The superior vena cava seems blood from the head, neck, upper limbs, and chest. Meanwhile, the inferior vena cava receives blood from trunk, viscera, and lower limbs. Thus, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava end up in the right atrium, one of the four chambers of heart. The heart not only has four chambers, it also has four valves. The purpose of valves is keeping blood moving in the right direction and not flows backwards. Blood exits the right atrium through the tricuspid valve, so called because it has three flaps, and enters the right ventricle. The blood exits the right ventricle through the pulmonary valve and enters the pulmonary artery. Again, it is an artery because blood is flowing away from the heart, but it is blue because it lacks oxygen. The pulmonary artery splits into the left and right pulmonary arteries, which go to the each respective lung. In the lungs, gas exchange occurs. The blood discards carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen. Now, blood comes back from the lungs to the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. Next, the blood is pumped into the left ventricle through the mitral or bicuspid valve. Finally, oxygenated blood leaves the left ventricle through the aortic semilunar valve, entering the aortic arc. The aorta, which is the largest of all the arteries, distributes the oxygenated blood into the rest of the body. The aortic arc has three major branches which supply the head and arm with blood. Then the aorta curls downwards behind the heart, forming the descending aorta, which descends to the chest and continues down through the abdomen. In the abdomen, the descending aorta splits to supply the pelvis and legs with blood. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you.